Dirt Fisherman here, y'all. It's my boy right here. We want to say our hey. We open up some cars for y'all. Yep, say hey, baby. All right, y'all. Let's turn this thing around. Let's open up some cars and have some fun.
Hey.
Hey. Baby, get down, fucking get the cars ready. Wait a second. They'll get it ready. We put it on there for you. He wanted y'all to see this. All right, y'all. Our first car we're going to open up is a 19 Ford Ranger Raptor. Tear that open. You got it? There we go.
That's a big Raptor.
Don't put it in my hand.
I think.
All right, y'all. Take it. Right here goes the old Ford Raptor right here. All right, y'all. The next car we open up is the Hot Wheels Ford Transit. These are some older cars, y'all, that I got.
Trey not in the video.
No, Trey ain't in the video, is he? That's what he gets from going to the movies. He misses out. Yeah.
This is not well. That's the well. That.
Here goes, y'all, the amulets. All right, y'all. Next, we're going to open up the Iron Motors Thrasher. The car kind of looks like a Dodge Charger. You're stuck on the floor. Grab right here. Rip it. No, grab right here. Rip it. There we go. Well, these youngins love to open up cars. Come on, dump it out of my hand. Come on, baby. Come on, dump it out of my hand.
That's how I do it. That's how I do it.
Here you go, y'all. Check that old car out. All right, y'all. Up next, we're gonna open up the '64 Chevy Impala, the Halloween car. Got the skull wheels.
Halloween drive.
Open it up for me.
Halloween drive.
Yeah. Check this one out, y'all. Was the skull wheels on it, y'all? Check it out.
We try that.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Up next, we're going to open up the '67 Chevrolet C10. All right, y'all. Check that out and they're out. Well, y'all, I think that's going to be it for a little video right here. We just want to do a little video for y'all. Right now, we're going to turn this camera around and say our goodbyes.
Stop.
Second, baby. Come on.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, y'all. If you like what you see, subscribe to our channel, please, and tell y'all's friends so we can grow this little channel for my boys. All right, y'all. Peace out.